What we're looking at here is a model or a sample assessment 2 that has been completed by a STEP student in a previous offering of the course. So by having a look at this, you can see exactly what we're expecting you to hand in with assignment 2. So we're just going to have a brief look at it. So you can see here the assignment starts with the notes TM. Now this assignment is not on the same topic as your assignment is, but the principles remain the same. So they've got the details of their first reading that they did, and then they've started with the notes TM strategy. So they've put down the ideas that they've taken from the reading, and then the ideas and thoughts that they've had about that on this side, and they've also gone to the trouble of pointing out the connections between the taking side of the template and the making side of the template. So that's their first reading, and here's their second one. So you do a second notes TM template and use it for your second reading. So again, the details that you're going to need to make to do your referencing and your in-text citation are there. Here are the main ideas that they've taken from the reading, and here are the ideas that they've had as they've been reading that. So the ideas that they've made, the notes that they've made, and again they've pointed out the connections between those two things. So that's the first two things that you will do. And then what we want to see is a graphic organizer for your paragraph. So we want a clearly stated say it sentence. We want the prove it points here, and you can see here particularly useful is how they've already noted in their graphic organizer in various places which reading each point will come from. So that will help you, if you do that in your graphic organizer, that will help you to smooth out that process when it comes time to write your paragraph. And then finally, they have their clearly stated clinch it sentence. So this is the plan for the paragraph that you're then going to present. Then the paragraph is presented. Note how it's formatted. Note the referencing in text. They've got author prominent, they've got information prominent, they've got a direct quote, there's another author prominent and another author prominent, information prominent there. And so you can see that most of it is paraphrased from the readings, and a minimal amount of the prove it points are set out as direct quotes. So you should be aiming to do the same thing. And then on a separate page, they have their reference list with their two citations in alphabetical order, correctly formatted according to the Harvard Referencing Guide. So you will do the same thing with your two readings that you've chosen, depending on which topic you have chosen to do for this assignment. What you will also have, and what is not on this assignment then, is a separate page with your reflective response to the 5 questions that are set out in the assessment task, and all of that needs to be put into one document, just like we see here, and submitted through Moodle by the due date. So that's assignment 2.